Are you ready? Let's get making.
Hey friends, this month I'm teaching a gel press class at Recreative in Denver, and I wanted to share with you what I'm doing. For the first part of this video, we're making a simple print using leaves from my yard, and for the second part, we're going to add a third color to the print, which makes them even more beautiful. Add acrylic paint to your gel press and distribute with a brayer, then carefully place the leaves on the paint. With plain copy paper, press down on the gel press just enough to take off most of the paint. You still want a line of paint around the leaves. I don't use a brayer for this part and only use my hands to press the copy paper. Carefully remove the leaves. A tweezer makes it easy so you don't mess up the impressions. Let this dry for a few minutes and then add a lighter color on top. Press your paper and leave it for a minute or two and then pull your print. Let's do this one more time, and then we're going to add a third color to our prints. By the way, you can use your leaves over and over again, and if you want to speed up the drying process, use a hairdryer on a cool setting for just a few seconds to help it along. For this print, I've started with a teal for the leaf impressions, and then I'm going to dry it. Once the leaf impressions are dry, I'm going to paint over them with some pink using a round brush. Don't worry about perfection here, just get some color over the leaves. Let that second layer of color dry completely and then add a third color over the top. Press your paper, let it sit for a few minutes, and then pull. I love the way this looks. Ready for a few more? Try experimenting with your favorite colors. It's always best to start with a darker color for your leaf impressions, then a bit lighter for the second color, and finally the lightest color for the background. Let me know what you think in the comments. I always love hearing from you.
I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.